Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to create with Figma. First, open your web browser and navigate to Figma. To sign up for a free account or login. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard where all your projects are stored. This is your starting point for any new design. We'll begin by creating a new design file to explore the basic interface and tools available to you. Let's get familiar with the Figma interface. On the left, you'll find the Layers panel, which helps you manage all your design elements. The top toolbar provides essential tools for drawing shapes, adding text, and selecting objects. On the right, the Properties panel allows you to customize colors, fonts, and other attributes of your selected items. It's quite intuitive once you start exploring. Now, let's create something simple. Begin by adding a frame to your canvas, which acts as your artboard. Then, use the shape tools from the toolbar to draw a rectangle or a circle. You can easily resize and reposition these elements. Next, add some text and experiment with different fonts and colors using the Properties panel. This hands-on approach helps you learn quickly. Figma truly shines with its collaboration features. You can invite team members to work on the same file in real time, seeing their cursors move. To share your design for review, simply generate a shareable link. When your design is complete, you can easily export individual assets or entire frames in popular formats such as PNG, JPG, or SVG, ready for development or presentation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.